Pitaka maintains a premium presentation that reflects the positioning of its accessories. The Edge Moonrise case arrives in a sleek and compact retail package that highlights both the fusion weaving craftsmanship and the lightweight nature of the case. Inside the box, the case is carefully protected to avoid any scratches or pressure marks during shipping. The packaging emphasizes the materials used in its construction, particularly the aerospace-grade Aramid fiber, which is widely known for its strength, lightness, and resistance to deformation. Removing the case from the packaging immediately reveals its defining visual characteristic, the woven gradient pattern. The transition of deep blue tones, inspired by the moment between sunset and moonrise, gives the accessory a distinctive identity that feels more like a piece of crafted design than a simple protective shell. The first thing that stands out when handling the Edge Moonrise case is just how thin and light it feels. The case adds virtually no noticeable bulk to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Once installed on the phone, the fit is extremely precise. The case wraps tightly around the edges of the device, aligning perfectly with the camera cutouts, side buttons, and charging port. Because of its ultra-slim construction, it preserves the clean lines and premium feel of the Galaxy S26 Ultra rather than hiding them. The tactile woven surface also makes an immediate impression. Unlike smooth plastic or silicone cases, the woven Aramid fiber texture provides a soft yet structured grip. The surface feels silky but secure, preventing the phone from slipping easily while still maintaining a refined and comfortable feel in the hand. The Pitaka Edge Moonrise case is constructed from aerospace-grade Aramid fiber, the same class of material used in protective equipment and high-performance composites. Aramid fibers are valued for their combination of lightweight and exceptional structural strength. Pitaka's fusion weaving process adds another layer of sophistication to the design. Instead of using a single, uniform fiber pattern, the weaving technique integrates multiple color strands into a complex gradient pattern. This creates the distinctive moonrise visual effect while maintaining the structural integrity of the material. Despite its thinness, the case feels extremely durable. The rigid structure resists bending and twisting, providing reliable protection against scratches and minor impacts. The Aramid fiber surface is also highly resistant to wear, ensuring the woven pattern retains its color and texture even after extended use. Another important feature is the built-in magnetic ring integrated into the case structure. This allows full compatibility with wireless charging and magnetic accessories without interfering with the slim profile.